Customer says, get that fecking disc off. He stuck a diamond disc on his Makita grinder. It's been sitting on a long time. Now you can't get it off. Not sea solid. And he's tried his hardest to remove it. He's even completely warped the disc. Totally bent it. But I still can't get the disc off. Not that it's a very good grinder. This is the GA 9050. Basically, I have a toy of a 9-inch grinder. Tiny little thing. How to get the disc off? First off, how badly stuck is she? Yeah, that's not budging. Bent my pins. Question is, how do you get the disc off when they're jammed solid like that? Very simple. Push in your button, lock the disc, and get yourself an SDS drill. Stick it in hammer only mode. Get a small SDS bit and cut the tip of it off to get a nice flat edge, and use this to hammer off the nut. There we go. That is how you get a jammed nut. That, by the looks of it, is rusted solid on there. Off your 9-inch grinder. Even when the vise doesn't work, get yourself an SDS drill, stick it in hammer mode. Works every time.